Do you ever wonder how you could possibly create your own lettering style? Are you struggling with comparing yourself to others? I'm so glad you're here. Join me in creating your own confident lettering style with this YouTube series called 26 Ways to Letter. Hey friends, I'm Sarah from Ensign Insights. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Welcome back to this series, guys. It's been a break for a while. I'm excited that it's back. Today I'll be using the Marvy Color In markers. These are awesome. They are really small, but they're deceiving because they're so flexible, so you can actually get a really thick downstroke. So I am just tracing a page out of my book, Fearless Lettering. I will link to that below if you are interested in learning more about it. The 26 Ways to Letter sheets are actually just a very small portion of what you learn in the book. I hope as you watch me trace these that it gives you some ideas. This is my real-time lettering, so I'm not speeding this up at all. It's really slow. Don't feel bad as you're lettering if you are going so slow. That will help you to practice. I have some really exciting news for you if you are looking to develop your confidence style. Not sure where to start, looking for anything. I am about to launch a free email course called Your Confident Lettering Style Mini Course. It's free, it's all through email. You get videos and worksheets. I will link to that below. Make sure you check that out. It is free. It has a lot of great content in it. You won't want to miss it. I'd be happy to have you join in. I hope you enjoy the rest of these. At the end of this, I do have a word that I will be lettering in real time, close up, really slow, to help you to practice and see how the brush marker moves. Don't forget to subscribe below so you don't miss the next video. And if this is your first time seeing these 26 ways to letter, I have all the letters before J, so check that out on my channel, and I will see you guys next time.